In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the OneDrive recycle bin in just a few simple steps. Whether you're looking to recover deleted files or simply want to manage the contents of your recycle bin, this guide will walk you through the process. Now, let's get started. First, we'll begin by navigating to Microsoft OneDrive. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL for OneDrive, or alternatively, searching for Microsoft OneDrive in your browser's search engine. Once you're on the OneDrive homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this will help you navigate more efficiently. OneDrive serves as your personal cloud storage service, and it provides a secure place where you can store and access your files from virtually anywhere. Now that we've reached the OneDrive homepage, you'll want to locate and click on the Sign In button. It's usually located in the upper right hand corner of the screen. Make sure to have your Microsoft account information handy. If you haven't already created an account, you can easily do so by following the on-screen instructions for account creation. Signing in with your Microsoft account will grant you access to all the features and files associated with your OneDrive account. After successfully signing in, you'll be directed to the OneDrive homepage. Here you'll find a dashboard displaying your stored files and folders. This is where you'll manage most of your OneDrive activities. The interface is typically user-friendly and intuitive, allowing you to find everything you need at a glance. At this point, we're ready to locate the recycle bin. To do this, look towards the left-hand menu. You should see several options listed there, and among them you'll find the recycle bin. This is the key feature we're focusing on today. Clicking on recycle bin will take you to a dedicated section where you can view all the files you've deleted from your OneDrive account. It's important to note that files in the recycle bin are stored temporarily and may be permanently deleted after a certain period, depending on your OneDrive settings. Once you're in the recycle bin, you have the option to recover files by selecting them and choosing the restore option. Alternatively, if you're certain you no longer need specific files, you can permanently delete them from there. This feature is particularly useful if you inadvertently delete important documents and need to recover them. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to view and manage your OneDrive recycle bin. Remember, routinely checking your recycle bin can help you avoid losing important files permanently. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.